Sometimes things need to take time, and then sometimes you just gotta go in with a swoop. How is my table so dirty if I don't even eat while I'm working in bed? So today on Instagram, I asked for you to come up with a design or help me decide in choosing a design for me for my nails. So this is a crowdsourced nail design today. Now this was a super tight race. Everything was divided almost evenly. So I've gathered that people want rainbow nails that are abstract in nail art with a clear base, and every nail has to be different. Challenge accepted. My inspiration comes from this image that is linked from Pinterest, and it does not have the nail artist credited. This is my nails right now. Look at this sad fate. I'm going to fix that and try and even it out as much as possible without shortening my nails too much. As usual, this is now over a year of using exclusively bio seaweed gel. I am only using bio seaweed gel products for this video. Lately, when I'm taking off my polish, I've been using their unpolished line, and I have an instructional video on my Instagram on how to use it. It's amazing. My tools are these double-ended brushes. At the one end, you have the daughter, don't know a professional term, and the other end is brushes. And I got this kit off of Amazon. I'll link everything in the description. I'm gonna start with one of my favorite base colors. I use this as my clear base color all the time. It's a translucent pink called Milkshake. I've had nail techs where if I don't have even nails, they say you just have to cut them all off. And so if this asymmetry really bothers you, sorry. I'm gonna start with blue. I also have my little crusty palette. It's another reason why I love gel, is because I can mix the colors and not worry about it drying out quickly. I could take my sweet old time. I know that painting it along the cuticle is risky. I personally don't mind it when my nail grows out and you can see it growing out, but some people don't like that. You could just do a fun French tip if you'd like. Out of all the pandemic hobbies that I've picked up, I definitely have kept to nail art, eyelash, and even eyebrow perming. I said in my lash perm and brow perm video that I didn't like the brows and I won't do it again. I ended up loving it, and yeah, I do it all the time now. I do it once every 4 to 6 weeks. Once I get super steady, I'm gonna open up a stall and I'm gonna paint on those grains of rice and sell rice necklaces. Because everybody likes 90s nostalgia right now. I will bring that back. So if you see here, I got some on my cuticle, and that's not great because that'll peel. So I'll take my tool. I'm just gonna try and clean it up. If you hear any snoring, it's my baby. She's sleeping down here. She's recovering from a surgery. We just had a little lump removed. And she's wearing a donut, so her double chin is gonna make her snore a little. I can't take you seriously like this. Got hair all over the place. Quick intermission. If you can, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you can be notified of when more nail art videos come out. With these highlight bits, I'm going to, if I were to, let's say, draw a shadow underneath this line, that means it would also be under this. I think that'll be easier because then I don't have to follow the cuticle line. I don't have any inspiration to follow for this one. So I'm freestyling at this point. And I won't outline it. I'm just gonna start thin at certain points and thicker at other points. I am so happy with the extra pop of color. It takes this from pastel nails like this to fun, funky. I'm trying to aim for that nice toothpaste swirl. I would say I fulfilled the brief. This is clear base, every nail different, rainbow, abstract nail. If you want more nail inspo and more nail art, you can find me on Instagram at LetitiaQ. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you have requests for more nail art for me to do, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next